This is high-tech Mac trainer kit, SCR triggering circuit. This is used to trigger the SCR. In this circuit trainer, we are providing three different types of trigger: R trigger, RC trigger, and UJT trigger. Before observing, let us switch on the circuit by connecting mains cord to the 230 volt AC mains. Now I have connected. Before starting the experiment, you have to check something. Here we have connected 30 volt AC secondary of the transformer. This AC is required for SCR to observe the firing angle and AC waveform on the CRO. So I am measuring the AC voltage first. So 30 volt is there. So I have kept knob on 200 volt AC and measuring AC voltage. So it is there 32 volt. Then here I have to measure the DC voltage. So I am keeping this multimeter on 20 volt DC and measuring the voltage DC required for this UJT trigger circuit. So this voltage required is around 10 to 12. Here it is 10.47. Now we will start further part. First we will perform R triggering. So I am doing the connections. For R triggering, you have to connect this A5 to A6. Then you have to connect this A1 to G1 to give the trigger pulses through this diode to the SCR gate. Now I will observe the waveform across this load resistance. We have connected this resistance to observe the waveform. See, here firing waveform is there. You can observe it clearly. Now I will vary the firing angle by using or by varying this spot. See, this firing angle is changing. So you have to measure the firing angle on the CRO and take the readings. So R triggering part is over. Now we will move to RC triggering. For RC triggering, previous connection is the same. Only the thing is that you have to connect this A1 to A3 and this capacitor ground to here. We have connected CRO probe across this load and again varying the same thing. Here you will observe that you are getting more firing angles than R. See, for R it was up to 90 degrees, it is above 90 degrees you are getting. Now this RC triggering is over. Now we will move to third part, UJT triggering circuit. Now I have to remove all these connections now. So I am removing all these connections. And for UJT triggering, I have to connect SC to this 12 volt for synchronization of the pulses. Then I have to connect the pulses at the output of transformer, this point G to G1. And now I have to connect K to ground to make the ground common. Now again I am connecting this across the load. See, you are getting the SCR fire waveform. You can change the firing angle by varying this spot. See, firing angle you can change. So in this way you can perform three different parts in SCR triggering circuits. First R triggering, then RC triggering, and then UJT triggering. That's all about this experiment. Thank you very much.